Hello, and welcome to our automated system. An exciting new age of health and wealth is here. If you think you've heard it all or seen anything like this before, you're going to be in for a very pleasant surprise. We can do our best to eat healthy, and most people at least attempt to take some form of supplementation for their better health. But we realize we're all different, and we start to wonder if the supplements we're taking are really doing anything, and if we're taking what's right for us individually. We've evolved into a new age of health and wellness, and today, over a third of the population is over 50 years of age. That's an incredible number of people who are very aware of the importance of their health. Imagine for a moment, what if you had a device that could give you a personal readout of all of your vital signs, health strengths, and deficiencies in a matter of minutes? With that, what if there was a product line where each product was designed specific to a person's needs, with each product infused with the highest level of ingredients, formulated to maximize and support each individual's health and lifestyle? And what if that product line included a selection of delicious, healthy coffees to start your day? When it comes to the all-important infrastructure of any company, especially the health and wellness industry, most companies have separate facilities that they typically hire out for a lot of what they do. Now imagine a company that has their own product development lab, their own manufacturing, and even their own warehouse facilities. All of that means complete control, assuring the highest level of product quality, packaging, storage, and delivery, while passing on big savings for everyone versus the overpriced products we typically see in the marketplace today. Now imagine a very unique business model that is designed to work for everyone. No matter what your background or level of business experience, health and wealth are subjects that are universal to all of us. And when you have everything laid out and in place for you, it's just a matter of passing it on. That makes this business model so unique, and it's working for everyone in every type of business model, including internet marketers, storefront retailers, affiliate marketers, influencers, network marketers, and does fantastic business at event promos. There are people building substantial incomes in several countries, and we're just getting started. Now imagine owners and staff with the highest levels of education, expertise, and experience in all related fields of clinical health, neuropathy, and Chinese medicine, to business marketing, manufacturing, and distribution. This is a staff that has created an unmatched culture and product line that is changing the health and wellness industry and changing lives. Join us and discover a life of health, wealth, and happiness. For complete details, contact us today.